have two beautiful young ladies here from the Dominican Republic Tourist Office in Chicago, baby. Yes, we're ready to rock it out with none other than the lovely Rocio and the lovely Mari. Yes, I hope you guys are ready because we're going to be cooking, or I should say I'm going to be cooking because I am ready to cook some Dominican food. We're going to start off with a little bit of history. So, Rocio, tell us a little bit about it. Welcome.
Thank you Rico for inviting us to Cooking with Rico show.
Yes.
Today we are going to start with La Bandera Dominicana, which is called the Dominican flag.
Yes.
The Dominican flag is white rice, red beans, pollo guisado, which is chicken stew.
Correct.
And you can combine with green salad and tostones.
Thank you for that explanation because I think they're going to want to cook the whole flag. I think that's what's going to happen. Mari, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready for seeing you cook.
Oh, well, as you may know, everybody, she's ready to eat too. All right, so let's get it on. The food is smelling good. We got the chicken, it's browning, and now we're gonna talk a little bit about the Dominican Republic as I'm finishing cooking. So, Rocio, tell us about the Dominican Republic and why people should go there.
Of course, Dominican Republic is the best island in the Caribbean for leisure. Go to the restaurant for cook, get married in Dominican Republic, for honeymoon, everything. Dominican Republic has it all. All-inclusive hotels, boutique hotels. We have adults only, for family. Punta Cana is the most famous tourist destination in Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
We have a lot of hotels there, beautiful beaches, white sand beaches, turquoise water, palm trees.
Got a lot of dancing too.
Yes, a lot of dance.
Bachata,
merengue.
But you know, just by me smelling this right now, I feel like I want to go to the Dominican Republic tomorrow.
Yes, yes,
I
of
feel
course,
like
me
that.
too.
I'm going to actually add the rest of the ingredients. All right, so now that that's simmering, so let's talk a little bit more about the Dominican Republic. You know, entertainment is big. And so let's talk about that.
Yes, for entertainment, we have nightlife, disco, restaurants. In the north part of the island, we have Puerto Plata, which is different than the Punta Cana. Punta Cana is for more calm people, for relaxing people, exactly. Yeah. But in Puerto Plata, you can do more active. Yes, for more active people. Kite surfing, water rafting, everything like that. Other tourist destinations, which like La Romana. La Romana is just 1 hour and a half from Punta Cana. We have international airport there. The most famous golf course is of the Dog. And then near to La Romana, we have Santo Domingo City. Santo Domingo, which is the capital city of the Dominican Republic. We have the first cathedral in the New World. We have the Christopher Columbus House. We have the Colonial Sun, rich in history and culture. And nightlife is beautiful. You have to go, and a lot of restaurants, of course.
See, that's what I really love. When you go to the Dominican Republic, you're looking for everything. You have everything, which is lovely. That's what I like about it. And of course, food. I mean, food goes with everything. The flag goes with everything. So after you finish watching this video, make sure you go to the Dominican Republic and get your ticket. Go there tomorrow. It's not just. Tell us a little bit about the liquor and also talk about the cigars that's actually being made in the Dominican Republic.
Oh yes, well we have a lot of brands, as you can see. We have Barceló Brugal, which you can find here in Chicago. The best beer in the world.
The best.
The best. Presidente beer.
Yes. What about the cigars?
Yeah, cigars. Well, we have most of the famous brand of cigars in the Dominican Republic. Aurora, Turo Fuentes. Yes, cigars. We produce the cigars in Dominican Republic.
I like that.
And of course, the Santo Domingo coffee.
Yeah, the cafe.
Yes, the cafe.
Yes.
You have to buy your cafe or ask for Santo Domingo coffee.
Nice.
Yes, the best coffee for me. But the most important thing is the people.
Yes.
We are friendly, we are happy, we are easygoing.
Yes.
Because we have everything. The food, beautiful dishes.
Yeah.
We have a culture, history, we have everything in Dominican Republic. Thank you, Rico, for inviting us to Cooking with Rico show. And on behalf of our minister, Mr. David Collado, who is working hard to include the tourism to the Dominican Republic. Yes, you are a special invite to visit to our beautiful island.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, there you have it, everybody. I want to thank you guys so much because we're cooking Dominican food all day, every day. We'll see you guys next time. Later.
Dominican Republic has it all.